Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Render token. In my previous video, I was showing you that even though Render has broken out a very big resistance of $2, that was a quite long-term resistance. But after breaking out that resistance, the price line still needs to break out this uptrend line resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. And you can see that we got rejected by this resistance of rising wedge pattern. And we have again broken down the support of $2 that was previously working as a resistance. And now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line once again. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade signal for Render token that I shared in the month of January 2023 on 14th of January. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Render token was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely dropped down, completed this final leg, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice rally. That was, by the way, more than 270% rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see within next few hours, it rallied more than 270%. And before that, I shared this expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And I shared this idea in the month of November 2022 on 4-hour time frame chart. You can see it was completing the final leg with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg here. And we had a nice price reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now, let me to take you here on this weekly time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I have been showing you for the past several months. And I've been telling you that Render needs to break out this resistance of the down channel in order to continue its rally to the upside, in order to start a massive move to the upside for a long term. And we can see we broke out the resistance here in the month of October 1st and got rejected by this resistance of $1.17. We had a big drop, formed a double bottom here. Then we had another very nice rally, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $2. And recently the price line was breaking out this resistance of $2, but again got rejected by this uptrend line resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And now it is about to test the support of the rising wedge pattern once again. For example, if this support will be broken down, then there is another support that is this red line, that is the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. Previously, it was working as a very long-term resistance for the price line, and now it can provide a nice support to the price line. However, if the price line breaks down this way, then the target, the technical target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge, that is approximately at 40 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be quite big from here. By the way, the target for this breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is between $8 to $10. And once the price line will be able to break out this rising wedge pattern, that target is quite big. You can see that will be here approximately at $14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.